copycat recipe of IHOP spinach and mushrooms omelette. Or in other words, I'll say it was even better than IHOP's omelette by adding some additional ingredients which I'll share in this video. Watch till the end for secret ingredient and for some additional informative tips. Follow the instructions. Let's make it. Bismillah. 2 eggs. Add pinch of pink salt. Or you can use sea salt or regular table salt. Add pinch of freshly crushed black pepper. Beat the eggs until fluffy and light. Freshly sliced handful of mushrooms. Chopped jalapenos. This is optional but add great flavor to it, as jalapenos you won't find it in IHOP's omelette. Handful of roughly chopped baby spinach. Chopped tomato. I'm using half. On medium to low flame, heat up the frying pan. I'm using 10-inch frying pan. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. You can use butter, clarified butter or regular cooking oil. Add sliced mushrooms and jalapenos. Sauté for a few seconds. Add beaten eggs. Make sure eggs covers the whole pan. Evenly spread the chopped spinach. At this point, cover the pan with the lid for 1 or 2 minutes. Remove the lid and fold the omelette. Take it out in the serving plate. Sprinkle about tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. This is optional. IHOP don't add Parmesan cheese to their omelette recipe, but it does give an extra flavor to it. Add chopped tomatoes. Add sliced of butter, optional. Some black pepper if you like. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.